Robbers struck two temples in North Goa on Friday, Ganpati Temple at TV Madhyal and Sateri Temple at Kamulni. Robbers fled with some silver ornaments and electronic items worth ₹1.5 lakh, whereas in Sateri Temple, robbers fled away with donation box. The amount in the box is not known. Mapsa police are investigating the case, but the robbers are out of police net.
The incident occurred on Thursday night. Robbers struck Ganpati Temple at TV Madhyal. They fled away with silver ornaments, DVD player and other items costing almost 1.5 lakhs. Mapsa police reached at the site and filed Panchanama. The temple committee members claim that robbers are been captured on CCTV footage. The footage has been handed over to the police for further investigation.
देडाक सारको देडाक करेक्ट देडाक आनी पावणू बरोबर ते हांगासर आहात
सीसीटीव्हीचे सगळे सारखे दिसता
हय दिसता तांबडे जॅकेट घालून एक भितर पयलो सरलो बूट बी गेलो ना दुसरो काळे जॅकेट आनी तिसरो दारार जो आसलो न्हू आनी दारार भितर तेणी लॉक काडला ते बॉल्सान घातला ते दिसता आनी दारार आसलो न्हू तेजे पांयच दिसता वयले कांय दिसना वळखपाक तशें क्लियर मेळना.
Another robbery took place at Sateri Temple at Kamule on same day. The robbers fled away with the Fundapeti. Our reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
After beating Pune FC in their last two cup meetings, Salgaocar Football Club will open their I-League campaign against the same side on Saturday afternoon at Fatorda. The Green Brigade had beaten Pune in the Durand Cup final and an important group match in the Federation Cup. Salgaocar will, however, miss their important attacking weapon in the form of Daryl Duffy for this game as the Scottish striker has not recovered from his injury.
Coached by Derek Pereira, Salgaocar have tasted success this season in the Durand Cup and were the losing semi-finalist in the Federation Cup. The Green Brigade have a decent side and can be counted upon to retain their top 5 position in the I-League 2015. Assistant coach Mariano Diaz, however, disclosed the setback to the team due to the unavailability of forwards Duffy and Dawson Fernandes.
Yeah, we are going to start the I-League tomorrow, and it will be our first match, and we always take first match as a very important match. Although there are injuries among players. Like Duffy and Dawson will be missing the
Duffy and who?
Dawson who are the mainly the starting 11 and they'll be missing the match. But of course there are youngsters who can come in.
Pune FC coach Karim Bencharifa, who had famously led Salgaocar to I-League title in 2011 as their coach, will hope that his team avoids the mistakes that cost them in their last 2 cup matches against Salgaocar.
The games between Salgaocar and Pune FC are always very, very competitive, but also pleasant games. We played Salgaocar in the final of Durand Cup. We played them also in the important match of the Federation Cup. Though we lost both matches, but in terms of performance, possession, chances created and all that, I was very happy with Pune FC.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.